Remember the days of backbreaking labor, swinging axes under the sun, the sweat dripping down your brow, the rhythmic thud of the axe hitting the wood, and the sheer physical effort it took to split a single log? Gone are those times. Today, a new breed of machines is revolutionizing firewood processing. These machines are not just tools, they are technological marvels that have transformed the way we approach wood cutting. We're talking about powerful machines that chew through logs like butter. Imagine a log being split in mere seconds, with precision and ease that was once unimaginable. These aren't your grandpa's wood splitters. The old manual splitters required brute strength and endless hours of labor. In contrast, today's machines are designed to maximize efficiency and minimize effort. These are engineering marvels designed for speed, efficiency, and power. They incorporate advanced technology, from hydraulic systems to computerized controls, ensuring that each log is processed with optimal precision. Imagine this: a crisp autumn morning, the smell of pine in the air. The forest is alive with the vibrant colors of fall, and you stand ready to tackle a mountain of logs. You have a mountain of logs to split. In the past, this would have been a daunting task, requiring days of hard labor. But instead of dreading the work, you're excited. Why? Because you know that with the help of modern machinery, what once took days can now be accomplished in hours. Because you have a secret weapon, a firewood processor that turns this chore into a satisfying breeze. These machines are designed to handle large volumes of wood quickly and efficiently, making the process almost enjoyable. This is the reality of modern firewood processing. It's a world where technology meets tradition, bringing the best of both worlds together. We're talking about machines like the Spal Fix K440, the Split 400, the Komatsu 931XC, and the Narva S23. These aren't just names, they're game changers. Each of these machines has been designed with specific features to cater to different needs, from small-scale operations to large commercial enterprises. They're turning a traditionally laborious task into a surprisingly enjoyable experience. Workers who once dreaded the long hours of splitting logs now find themselves looking forward to the task, thanks to the efficiency and ease provided by these machines. Let's delve into the world of these mechanical marvels and see what makes them tick. From the intricate engineering to the innovative technology, we'll explore how these machines are changing the landscape of firewood processing, making it more efficient, less labor-intensive, and ultimately, more enjoyable for everyone involved. First up, we have the Spal Fix K440, a marvel of modern engineering. This Italian stallion is a beast when it comes to processing firewood, designed to make your life easier and your work more efficient. The K440 boasts a powerful engine and a robust build that can handle even the toughest logs. Its engine is designed for maximum efficiency, ensuring that you get the most out of every piece of wood. But what truly sets it apart is its adjustable splitting blade. This feature is not just a gimmick, it's a game changer. This innovative feature allows you to customize the splitting force and size, giving you complete control over your firewood processing. Whether you need small pieces for kindling or larger logs for a long-lasting fire, the K440 has you covered. Need perfectly sized logs for your fireplace? No problem. The K440 ensures that each log is cut to your exact specifications, making it perfect for any home or commercial use. Dealing with a particularly gnarly piece of wood? The K440 can handle it with ease. Its robust design and powerful engine make quick work of even the most challenging logs. It's like having a personal wood-splitting assistant, always ready to tackle the task at hand. With the Spal Fix K440, you can say goodbye to the back-breaking labor of traditional wood splitting and hello to a new era of efficiency and ease. Next, we have the Split 400. This machine is all about precision and power. Its standout feature? The patented X-blade. This isn't your ordinary splitting wedge. The X-blade design allows the Split 400 to split logs with incredible speed and efficiency. Imagine a hot knife slicing through butter. That's the kind of effortless performance you can expect from the Split 400. It's like magic, only better, because it's real, and it's here to make your life easier. Now let's talk about the Komatsu 931XC. This Finnish powerhouse is in a league of its own. Imagine a machine that combines the raw power of a bear with the precision of a surgeon. That's the Komatsu 931XC in a nutshell. This machine is built for serious firewood processing. It can handle logs up to 93 centimeters in diameter, making quick work of even the most challenging pieces. It's like having a team of lumberjacks at your disposal, all working tirelessly to turn those logs into firewood. Narva S23, the silent giant of firewood processors. Last but not least, we have the Narva S23, a marvel of modern engineering. This machine is all about quiet efficiency, seamlessly blending power with tranquility. Don't let its silent operation fool you. The Narva S23 is a powerhouse in disguise, capable of handling even the toughest logs with ease. It's designed for those who value peace and quiet without compromising on performance. Whether you're a professional or a weekend warrior, this machine delivers. Imagine this. You're processing firewood on a peaceful Sunday morning, and the only sound you hear is the gentle hum of the Narva S23. No more loud, disruptive noise to disturb your neighbors or the natural serenity of your surroundings. It's like having your cake and eating it too. All the power and efficiency without the noise pollution. The Narva S23 truly redefines what a firewood processor can be, offering a perfect blend of strength, silence, and sophistication. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, the Narva S23 makes firewood processing not just a task, but a pleasure. Experience the future of firewood processing with the Narva S23, where power meets peace. A cut above the rest. Advantages of modern firewood processors. Now you might be thinking, these machines sound impressive, but are they really that much better than traditional methods? The answer is a resounding yes. First off, let's talk about time. Using an axe or a basic hydraulic splitter can take hours, even days, to process a cord of wood. These machines can do it in a fraction of the time. That means more time to relax by the fire and less time spent sweating and straining. From forest to fireplace. Efficiency redefined. But it's not just about speed. These modern marvels are also incredibly efficient. They're designed to maximize output while minimizing waste. They can handle logs of various sizes and shapes, ensuring that you get the most out of your wood. It's like having a personal firewood factory in your backyard. Think about it. Less time splitting wood means more time for other things. More time with family. More time for hobbies. More time to simply enjoy the great outdoors. A revolution in firewood processing. Embracing the future. The world of firewood processing is changing. The days of back-breaking labor are fading fast. These machines are not just for professional loggers or lumberjacks. They're for anyone who wants to make their life easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned woodburner or a weekend warrior, there's a firewood processor out there for you. It's time to embrace the future of firewood processing and experience the difference these machines can make. Conclusion: the future of firewood is here. So there you have it. A glimpse into the world of modern firewood processors. These machines are revolutionizing the way we process firewood, making it faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. They're proof that even the most traditional tasks can benefit from a touch of modern technology. So, why chop when you can chip? Why swing when you can saw? The future of firewood is here, and it's waiting for you.